Hi, this is Rachel again. I'm back with step 2 of setting up and configuring your Toolkit for Accountability site. In step 1, we pulled down a copy of the Toolkit for Accountability template from the public template gallery for Google Sites, and you'll see now I'm working with a copy that lives in my Google Apps domain for High Desert ESD. We're going to focus on two things in this segment. Number one is removing the Oregon Data Project logo and personalizing the name or logo in that header area. And number two, removing this image here, which is kind of the reminder to make sure you're walking through these screencasts for setting up your own site. So we're going to tackle the easiest first, and that is removing this image. You'll notice that when I'm logged in my site, I have my Create Page, Edit Page, and More Actions buttons. So since we're on the home page and that's where this image is, we're going to go ahead and click Edit Page. And you'll see that we are now in a web editor. And you'll see the image here. So if I click on that, there is a button after the image section that says remove, and I'm going to do just that and click save. So now I've taken off the warning, and now I want to change out the personalization in the top header area. Most of the site configuration tools are in More Actions, Manage Site. When I click on that, I come to a essentially like a web editor interface, and I have some different areas and different things that I can change or configure. In this case, I'm going to Site Layout. And there's a header box with my header elements and the things that I can change. There's a sidebar with my sidebar elements. There's an area for page content and the footer. So in the header, you'll see there's the change logo link, which if I click on it, I see that custom logo sitting there. And just as you would suspect, I'm going to say that I don't want it. I'm going to click OK, save changes, and now returned to site. And so you notice that we've removed that header image. So it looks a little blank. You can create a header image or use your district logo, and you can experiment with uploading some different sizes and different layouts of that logo, or the simple option is to go back to Manage Site. This time we're going to the General tab, and you'll notice that up in Site Name, where there is High Desert Data Toolkit, there's a click box for me to enable showing that at the top of the pages. So I'm going to choose that, save my change, and if I return to site, I see, okay, we're getting there now. And if I go back to More Actions, Manage Site, you'll notice that there's a Colors and Fonts section. And in the site header, the title color, I do have the option to make it whatever I would like. So I am going to keep it that dark kind of desert color. Save changes. And now I'm ready to do some more personalization. So we'll continue step 3 with using our local calendars and some of the other links we need to change. Thanks.